So today we are going to be tackling a unique and profitable niche, selling feet pics.
Yeah, okay, so this is a guide specifically for our melanin-rich community, aiming to help monetize our aesthetic, if you will. We gotta get our coin. Get your coin. I'm Olivier, and I'm here with Kyla, and together we're gonna cover everything from setting up your online presence to taking stunning photos that sell.
If you are ready to turn those artistic toe shots into some hard cold cash, don't forget to hit subscribe. Let's shine a spotlight on those fabulous feet and dive right into making some money. Why are feet pics a big deal? Well, especially for Black men and women, there's a high demand for your distinctive skin tones, which range from the softest of tans to the richest of ebony. These hues look amazing on camera and offer a variety of aesthetics not commonly seen in mainstream media. But it's not just about the photos. It's about celebrating diversity and beauty. Ready to find out how you can capitalize on this? Keep on watching.
Okay, so getting started, you first have to create a profile on a platform like FeetFinder. It's great. FeetFinder is great because they're committed to diversity and user privacy, which I love. It's so easy. All you have to do is set up a profile, get verified, and that's it. Easy as that. Then you can start uploading your photos, and this is where you let your creativity shine. You can play around with different angles, different props, settings. You can curate a theme for your profile or switch it up, play around and have fun.
The key to success? Killer photos. Good lighting is absolutely crucial. Natural light is really your best friend because it beautifully enhances different skin tones without any harsh shadows. Try various poses and angles to show off unique aspects of your feet, like the arches and the toes. Incorporating props like jewelry, fabrics, or even elements of nature can add a dramatic flair to your shots. Your goal is to make each photo a unique piece of art.
Okay, I want to talk a little bit about engagement. It's not all about selling, it's about creating connections. You really got to interact with your followers by responding to comments, offering custom photos, and keeping your feed active and interesting. You got to remember that building connections lead to repeated business. It's kind of the key to success.
So there you have it. Whether you're a woman or man, selling feet pics can be more than just a side hustle. It can be a significant revenue stream. With the right approach, professionalism, and creativity, you can transform this opportunity into real earnings, okay?
Well, what are you waiting for? You're still watching this video when you should be on FeetFinder making your profile. Start your journey today. I know it might be a little nerve-wracking to try something new, something different, but hey, you won't really know how you feel about it until you begin. This is kind of nice. You're getting like advice and inside knowledge and proper encouragement. You should subscribe for more.
Thank you for joining us. We are so excited to hear about your journey and your successes. Drop your questions or share your progress in the comments below. We're all about community support here.
Share this video with friends so we can continue to grow this community. Keep letting that light in yourself shine, and we'll see you in the next video where we'll continue exploring more innovative ways to monetize your creativity.